How to contact hotels.com customer service for help. Hi everybody. In today's video, we are going to show you how to do so. So you can contact hotels.com customer service in several ways if you want help with the booking cancellation, payment issues, or technical problem. So within their site, what we can do is we can just go to the help and page. We have support here in the top right corner. We can just go and click on that option and it will open up this help center. Now within this help center, we can just go over and look out for this search bar where we can type in an issue to get FAQs related. So we can just go and check it out. Otherwise, you can head over to their get in touch page where we can reach out to them through these options. So one of them is phone, which is contacting them by phone number. We can just go over and look out for this automated menu right here, the phone number one, and use that option right there to choose the option for existing reservations and support, and a customer service agent will help you with booking charges, refunds, or problems. We also have this live chat option. You can click on chat now to use that feature right here, and you can directly chat with a virtual agent, and you can ask for a human agent also if needed, and contact them with the issue that you're having. Also, we have this option of email. I think we have the email option as well. We can use those email as well and include your booking confirmation number, your name, and details of the issue, and contact them through that option also. Usually those are some of the customer service provided by hotels.com for now. You can use those if you have any issue with them. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.